Regular verb past tense rules. Simple spelling guide for ed endings. Let's dive straight into the spelling rules you need to know for past tense regular verbs. Firstly, if the infinitive ends in E, simply add D. For example, like becomes liked. Changed becomes changed. Die becomes died. Use becomes used. Move becomes moved. And love becomes loved. So, for this first rule, simply add D. The next rule is, if the infinitive ends in a consonant plus Y, change the Y to an I and add ed. For example, cry becomes cried. Try becomes tried. Dry becomes dried. Marry becomes married. Study becomes studied. And worry becomes worried. As you can see, the Y is changed to an I before adding ed. And the final rule to learn is, if a one-syllable verb ends in a single consonant after a short vowel, double the consonant before adding ed. For example, stop becomes stopped. Grab becomes grabbed. Jog becomes jogged. Grin becomes grinned. Hug becomes hugged. And drop becomes dropped. As you can see, the final consonant is doubled before adding the ed. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more regular verbs.